Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have new fidgets in my collection and this is what they are. I have a pastel square poppin', a heart poppin'. This reminds me of Barney colors. Look at there. It just reminds me of those colors. I have another pastel hearts poppin'. This poppin' looks like Easter, like it just gives me Easter vibes. I have a glow in the dark poppin'. Sorry for the typo. Another poppin'. I have two backy tracks. Same colors. I really do like these. They're one of my favorite fidgets. I have a fidget spinner poppin'. I have a similar one that is in black. I have rollers. I have two of them, but it's in the same color. I really do like these. Look at here. I have a simple dimple. Another simple dimple in blue. I have 3 fidget spinners. That's just like these. I have this one, and this. I never had these ones before. Look at there. So comment down below if these are brand new or what, because I never seen them out before. I never even owned them before. Look at this. So this is the first time. And out of the pile, I really like this one. But if I have to choose just one that is my favorite, it will be the Simple Dimples. But if I have to pick my top 3 favorite out of the pile that I just have, it will be this fidget spinner, the glow in the dark poppin', and the Simple Dimple. And if anyone was wondering where I got all this from, I got the poppets from Five Below. I got these from the dollar store. I also got these from the dollar store as well. The Simple Dimples, I believe it was at Walmart's for like 50 cents each. I got both of these as Clovers. And I also got this from the dollar store as well for $1.25. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the pile that I have. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I hope that everyone enjoyed this video.